Hello there. Welcome back, dear students. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. In our last tool, we talked about the blending options, and the options we choose was the extrude. And today is we are going to discuss the transparency tool, and that is the most important tool and frequently used tool that is under this category. So transparency tool, what does and how does this apply? Again, you first select any of the object, and there are multiple presets which are available. For example, if you're interested to make this object uniform, transparent, so that is right now 50% uniform, and click here, as well as you select on the second option, that is the linear means the line would be your point of transparency. So this would be your fully visible, and this would be 100% transparent. So as you can see right now, you click on this point, it is our 0% transparency, and it is 100% transparency. The same which you can apply instead of linear, you can go for radial, means center point would be 100%, and the outer would be exactly the 0%. And same apply goes to the, instead of radial, conical, as well as the square, and all those type of things that you can manually redefine this. Let me select clear transparency. Let me select this one and clear transparency. And let me go to the menu options, that how we can do. Either you go for this bottom one and you select any of the transparency, because that is your starting point. So that has to be towards that side. So either you go with this kind of angle, or maybe something like this, and or something like this. And either you can go with the center point and you pick something like uh, from top to bottom or something like this, or maybe from bottom side to the top. That is your choice, for either horizontal, vertical, or any type, right? The same applies on this. But there are plenty of interesting things also. First, you have to apply any of the object like this, as your ending point is outside of this, means that is the 0 point. So if you bring inside this, probably this would be the area that would not be visible. So further, what you can do into the transparency targets, and that is filled, means outline, that has to be the outline will be visible. That would not be the this effect of transparency would not be applied on the outline. And then outline, and then all, you, if you select all, means this transparency effect will be applied on almost everything. And there are one or two options also which you can apply on this. The freeze transparency will in fact does not allow the current view of the object through the transparency, so that the view does not change when the object is moved. अब आप अगर object को move करें, or if you are interested to make it move from anywhere, the transparency is locked, and that will remain as it is with this one. Let me undo this, because in fact it converts the object from vector to the raster. So let me show you again. Select the transparency, go with this option, and something like this, and then click on this, right? Let me zoom in, and as you can see right now, that the object has been converted into a raster format, means picture format. Whereas if you click again on this, it will be re back to our vector shape, means no more raster shape. So that's pretty simple and pretty obvious, that with the help of these tools, you can create either transparency to any of the text, as well as to any of the object. For example, you select the text. Here is the text has been selected. No, it hasn't selected yet. Also, here is the text has been selected, and same you can apply on this also, right? So have a look at this. If the starting point is this, automatically it will be look like something look like this, right? So pretty simple as such, not at all difficult to work. And you just have to select the appropriate tool, and then you have to select the tools, and the all other things will be applicable on this. So that's it. And if at the end of the day, if you're interested, no, you're not interested in any things like this, let's move on to the clear transparency. And here we go. Let's select this and clear transparency, select this, and clear transparency will get you back to this. So that's it from the blending options. I'm pretty sure with these type of very interesting group and tools under this group, you can go and enhance your creativity and create so many wonderful things. Stay tuned. In the coming lectures, we will be creating so many interesting new creative shapes, and I will be using all those type of tools which we have learned under this category, and that would be a pretty much interesting things to start with. So take care. Up till then, good care of yourself, and hope to speak to you soon. Till then, bye bye.